So we've got an old Range Rover, selling it for spares or repair. It runs okay. It's just got a new MOT. I would say it's fairly tidy for the year, but could do with some improvement or some loving care. I think the worst thing we can point out is the patch on the bonnet there. All the alloys are good. Bit of damage on the door mirror there. Screen all looks good. Now, one thing I will say is that I got a shower the other day when I went out in it, an unwanted one. So we've sealed the roof up, the sunroof. So that shouldn't happen anymore, but you can't use the sunroof. There's a couple of marks at the side, but it's really just, looks like just brush marks, and should, with a good buff, polish out. Some damage there. It has got film on the inside of the windows, which looks to be coming off. Needs hairdryer and so on. Let's see, all good. That is obviously not quite working right. Inside the car, again, could do with a good clean. These old Range Rovers are bringing good money now, so if somebody's got the time to invest, I wouldn't say it starts straight away. It takes a couple of times, but once it's started, it's fine. I've been out in it, it runs great. And as you can see up there, that just needs some attention. Showing 151,788 miles. And let me just shut that door. Turn it off. So when it's cold, it takes 2 or 3 times to start. There's an ABS fault light coming on, or a warning. But apart from that, everything's good.